The potential trading has is absolutely ridiculous, okay? I know deep down you all know you're going to be successful, that dream self. You just don't know when or how. But if you are a trader, I'm telling you this right now. This is your sign to just go all in on trading. Now, I don't mean obviously go risk 100% on a trade. That's not what I meant. I meant actually mastering the skill of trading. And I don't mean you take a trade, you journal it, and then you go back to playing your video games, okay? Just don't do that. That's not what I actually meant. So trading isn't just about the charts. It actually starts from your mind. That's literally the core of it. Your patience, your mindset, and your discipline. Because if you can master the skill of trading, do you realize how much potential you have? I'm saying this because this is the exact shift that happens in my own mind. It literally just clicked. I stopped chasing money and I started chasing of becoming a good trader. And I mean, a good trader means that I manage my risk, I journal my trade, and I don't rush the process. And once you start doing that, the money starts knocking on your first door. I mean, I'm serious, bro. It's such a small shift, but it's actually everything. Because let's be real, if you can make like 1 to 7% a month, that could be literally 10k a month from just a prop firm challenge. Nowadays, you have access to prop firms, and if you're not taking advantage of that, you're just missing out. You're willing to work a 9 to 5, wake up every single day at the same time and just sit there for hours. And you're not willing to put even a little more effort into your own dream job. I mean, come on, bro. And losses, there's not a reason behind every single loss, okay? You can't go analyzing the 30-second charts, looking for a fair value gap or a weekly supply zone. I mean, come on, bro, just accept the loss and learn from it. Because if you can grow even 1% every single day, you'll realize how much progress that is in the future. You already know where this can take you, so just stop holding back. And also, I just want to say one more thing. You're not behind and you're not too late. This shit takes time, okay? I don't care what you see online. That's not you right now. And that's not the point. The point is, you're learning something most people wouldn't even dare to try. You're building something for yourself. And you might not even notice it, but every single time you journal your trades, you stick to your plan, you're becoming the version of yourself you're chasing. It's not even about the perfect setup, and it's not even luck. It's who you become in the process. And that version of you, the one who stays focused, the one who doesn't fold under pressure and stays patient, that's who creates the real results. So the question isn't how long will it take or how long are you willing to stay focused, because the answer is forever. I mean, you already won. It's just a matter of time. And every day you show up, you're getting better. And that's what separates the people who make it and the ones who don't. It's not some special edge. It's actually the people who stay consistent, who can handle losing, and who can show up again tomorrow. And I get it. Some days feel like you're doing everything right and still getting nowhere. But those days, that's when the growth actually happens. So keep going, keep showing up, and don't stop until you're there. Because I promise you, you will get there, and this is your sign to go all in on trading. Peace.